Hello, welcome to the class of HTML5 programming. So today we are going to discuss about the structural element that are used in HTML5 programs. So first structural element is division element. So this division element creates journal structure area on a web page. It is like a block display with empty space above and below. And later on we will discuss how to add the styles and configure color, font and layout of the HTML element using CSS in division element. In this program we will only use how to define this division element in HTML5 programming. So this division element we are using this division element from the previous version of HTML, and we are also using this in the HTML5 version. The next are the other elements, the header element, navigation element, main element and the footer element. So these elements are introduced in HTML5. So with addition to div element, HTML5 introduces a number of semantic structural elements which are used to configure specific space on a web page. So HTML5 elements are used in conjunction with division element to structure web page documents. So we can see the diagram, that is wireframe diagram or a structural element diagram. So the HTML5 programmings are designed according to this structural element. So here it defines the different elements like header element, navigation element, main element, footer element and the division element in between the main element. So a wireframe is an empty skeletal structure that illustrates how a layout will be built. So will be no design, and the design are constructed over the top of this structural element or the wireframe. So this diagram indicates how the structure of a web page could be configured with the header, navigation, main and division and the footer element. So next is the header element. So here this header element is mainly contain one or more heading element. Like we declare this header element where we declare the heading element like h1 to h6. Next is the navigation element. Navigation element basically contains section of navigation link or the hyperlinks. So these are declared by this navigation opening tag and navi and the closing tag. Next is main element. Main element contains the main content of a web page document, and we can also declare here the division element in between the main element. So these are declared by using this tag main opening tag and the main closing tag. Next one is the footer element. This contains the footer section of a web page, and it is declared as like footer opening tag and the footer closing tag. So let's see how it displayed in the program. So here I constructed this program where I declared this header element, navigation element, the main element and the footer element. So the whole change occurs in the body section. The above section of the HTML programming is same, where we have declared its version type HTML element, head element, and after that here in body section we have declared this structure element. So this is a header element where I declared the heading h1, where I declared the h1 heading name or the content in between this h1 heading. And after that navigation element, here I use this navigation element to display this various that will navigate to the another web page. So for that here I declare the this content all courses, contact us, logins or sign up in this way. And here I added the non-breaking space sign in between this various blocks. So and also I bold these various blocks. After that I use the main section where I declared the heading 2 and the ordered list in between. So here I declared the two headings, that is telecommunication courses and the IT courses, and in between I declared the ordered list. in this way. So in main section we have declared the two headings and the ordered list. And last one, when we come up to the last section, that is the footer, here I declare the footer section. I want this particular text in small and in italics form, and this particular text I want to be in bold form. So when we will run this program, let's see how it will be displayed in the browser. Go to run and launch in Chrome. So now here you can see that it will be displayed like this. It will make a complete home page for a particular site. So here declare the heading, that is declared in header like Telcoma Global, and after that in navigation it declared this like this, and it add the spaces because we have declared this non-breaking space element here. After that it declared the main section like this with a ordered list, and in last where we have declared the footer, it display the particular text in a small size and in italics form, and this particular text that we have declared in the bold form, it will be displayed in the browser in a bold style. So this is how we can use the structure element in HTML5 programming. Thank you.